Let us be completely honest about the budget smartwatch market right now. For the past couple of years, the sub 8,000 rupee segment has been flooded with plastic fitness trackers pretending to be premium smartwatches. Most brands throw a basic square screen into a cheap casing, add some unoptimized software, and call it a day. It has been a long time since we saw real, meaningful hardware innovation in this specific price tier. But Realme has officially decided to challenge that status quo. They have expanded their wearable lineup in India by unveiling a brand new circular device that completely changes the rules of engagement. This is the Realme Watch S5, priced officially at 7,999 rupees with a special early bird launch price of 7,499 rupees starting June 5th. This watch is targeted squarely at premium round competitors like the CMF Watch 3 Pro. Instead of taking the easy route with a generic square layout, Realme went back to basics with a traditional circular aesthetic that looks like an actual high-end timepiece. Today, we are going to do a comprehensive overview of everything this watch brings to the table, analyzing its upgraded aluminum chassis, the independent satellite navigation arrays, the extended battery endurance, and whether this hardware can truly reclaim the budget wearable crown for Realme. Taking a bird's eye look at the design philosophy, it is immediately clear that Realme is playing a different game with the Watch S5. The very first thing to point out is the premium choice of structural materials. Realme has completely abandoned the cheap plastic look of their previous budget generations. Instead, the entire circular main dial is constructed from a solid, lightweight aluminum alloy. The metallic finishing gives the frame an industrial, robust structure that belongs in a much higher price segment. The watch is launching in two distinct color options, rock grey and sand white. The sand white variant is a particular aesthetic standout, giving off a clean, minimal look that catches the light beautifully. Despite using a full aluminum housing, the watch remains surprisingly comfortable on the wrist for long periods. It weighs just 49.63 grams including the strap. That is light enough for all day wear, whether you are working at your desk, hitting a heavy gym session, or tracking your sleep cycles overnight. The watch features three distinct physical interactions on the side, adding to that classic chronograph identity. The center button is a fully functional, rotating digital crown. This is not just cosmetic, spinning the crown gives you a smooth tactile experience as you cycle through the menus, or spin it on the main watch face to cycle through 7 different color themes in real time. Below that, you have a secondary navigation button, and above it, a dedicated button to instantly invoke your smartphone's digital assistant. To secure the front of the device, Realme covered the screen with a protective layer of Panda glass, providing heavy-duty scratch resistance against daily bumps and scrapes. The bundled 22mm silica gel strap is incredibly soft, breathable, and utilizes a standard quick-release mechanism so you can swap it out for any third-party leather or metal band you prefer. A premium chassis is nothing without a spectacular screen, and this is where the hardware truly stands out. It features a stunning 1.43-inch amo-L-E-D display panel with a crisp resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. With a high pixel density of 302 pixels per inch, icons, text, and data points look remarkably sharp. You cannot see any jagged edges or pixelation, even if you hold the watch face close to your eyes. The screen brightness is where Realme absolutely dominates this price segment. The panel can reach up to 1500 nits of peak brightness. If you have ever used a budget smartwatch outdoors under direct afternoon sunlight, you know how frustrating it is to squint just to read an incoming notification alert. With 1500 nits, the Watch S5 remains perfectly legible in direct outdoor glare. Navigating through the software user interface feels snappy and responsive thanks to a fluid 60 Hz refresh rate. Swiping through your quick toggles, scrolling through long notification lists, and checking data widgets feels smooth without the stuttering animations common in lower-end wearables. Taking full advantage of that high-end amo-L-E-D technology, the watch supports a full always-on display mode. You can choose from multiple vibrant watch faces that shift into a low-power ambient mode when your wrist is down, ensuring you can always glance at the time without constantly shaking your arm to wake up the screen. Under the hood, the Realme Watch S5 is driven by a specialized ultra-low-power ATS-389 processor. This platform is paired with 4 GB of internal flash storage and 16 MB of high-performance PSRAM. This dedicated storage means the watch can hold its own local audio tracks, allowing you to connect wireless earbuds directly to the wearable and go for a run without needing your smartphone anywhere near you. For wireless communication, Realme implemented a modern Bluetooth 5.4 radio. The connection stability is excellent across both Android and iOS ecosystems via the Realme Link companion application. The watch also comes equipped with an integrated high-output speaker and a sensitive microphone capsule for full Bluetooth calling functionality. Indoor call quality is loud and crystal clear, allowing you to answer quick calls while cooking or working out without reaching for your phone. But the most unique communication feature here is the brand new Bluetooth intercom function. This allows the Watch S5 to establish a direct, real-time voice channel with another Watch S5 user nearby, acting like a short-range walkie-talkie. It is an incredibly fun and practical addition for hiking, cycling, or working out with a partner when cellular networks are completely unreliable. For fitness enthusiasts, the inclusion of a fully independent, built-in GPS array is the ultimate selling point. For an overview of this watch, the positioning system is backed by 5 major global satellite navigation systems, providing highly accurate spatial tracking. When you start an outdoor walk, run, or cycling session, the watch locks onto satellite tracking coordinates rapidly, mapping your route pace and distance metrics entirely on board without relying on a tethered phone link. The fitness suit supports over 110 distinct sports modes, ranging from standard weight training to specialized outdoor running courses and stretching guides. It even features intelligent automatic workout detection for core activities like walking and running, prompting you to log your metrics if you forget to start a session manually. During high-intensity training, the watch collects complex athletic telemetry. It provides real-time VO2 max analysis to measure your oxygen consumption efficiency, logs your aerobic training effects, and tracks your recovery duration. This tells you exactly how many hours your body needs to rest before your next strenuous workout. The physical durability is engineered to match these intense fitness features, boasting a full 5 ATM water resistance rating. This means the watch can withstand water pressure up to 50 meters deep, making it perfectly safe for swimming sessions, heavy rainstorms, and intense sweaty workouts. It even includes a dedicated water eject mode that uses sound frequencies to blast moisture out of the speaker cavity after a swim. Moving on to health and wellness tracking, the Realme Watch S5 functions as a continuous biometric monitor. The sensor array on the back plate features continuous automated heart rate tracking and blood oxygen or SpO2 saturation monitoring. When cross-checked against high-end, dedicated medical-grade fitness bands, the step count and heart rate accuracy on the Watch S5 remain remarkably consistent, proving that the internal algorithms are well calibrated. The sleep architecture tracking is equally comprehensive. It breaks down your sleep cycles into deep sleep, light sleep, REM periods, and awake durations, providing an overall sleep quality score in the morning. It also monitors your daily stress levels using heart rate variability tracking, offers guided breathing training to help you calm down, logs environmental ambient noise levels to protect your hearing, and includes full cycle tracking for women's health. The watch runs a customized, lightweight real-time operating system or RTOS, which is optimized for maximum efficiency. The layout is built around quick access widgets, allowing you to check your weather forecasts, calculator, calendar, alarms, and music playback controls with a simple side swipe. For the gaming community, Realme included a quirky, unique function called Game Guardian mode. When paired with a compatible Realme smartphone, the watch can sync up during your mobile gaming sessions, displaying your real-time vital statistics, heart rate, stress points, and session timers right on your wrist as you climb the competitive ranks. However, a comprehensive overview must note a few practical compromises. Because this is a lightweight operating system rather than a full-scale Wear OS device, you cannot download third-party applications or respond to notifications with a full keyboard. Notification handling is limited to viewing incoming text alerts and app pings. Additionally, while the Realme Link application provides clean data charts, sensing reliability between the watch and your smartphone can occasionally feel a bit slow if the app has been closed in the background for an extended period. Even with those minor software limitations, the absolute superpower of an RTOS platform is battery efficiency. Powering the entire system is a large 460 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Realme claims that the watch can last up to 16 days on a single charge under standard daily usage scenarios. If you switch the device into its specialized light smart mode, that endurance can stretch all the way to an unbelievable 20 days. In practical everyday scenarios with continuous health monitoring activated, regular notification alerts, and occasional GPS tracking during outdoor workouts, you can easily expect close to a full week of heavy usage even with the always-on display panel activated. This level of battery endurance completely eliminates the daily charging anxiety that plagues expensive premium smartwatches. When you do finally run out of power, the bundled magnetic charging cable snaps securely onto the backplate, taking roughly 2.5 hours to juice the cell back up from 0 to 100%. So, what is the final conclusion on the Realme Watch S5 feature overview? For 7,999 rupees, Realme has crafted an incredibly compelling piece of wearable hardware. They have successfully moved past the cheap, budget look by introducing a high-end aluminum alloy frame, an incredibly bright 1500 nit amo-LED screen, a functional rotating crown, independent multi-satellite GPS tracking, and a massive battery life cell that lasts for days on end. If your core priorities are exceptional battery life, reliable fitness and step tracking, independent outdoor route tracking, and a premium design that looks great in a formal meeting or at the gym, the Watch S5 is a home run. The early bird sale window officially kicks off at 12 p.m. on June 5th across Flipkart, the official Realme online storefront, and mainline offline retail stores. But I want to hear your thoughts on this latest wearable specification overview. Are you ready to pick up the circular Watch S5, or do you prefer the square designs of the competition? Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more high-end hardware deep dives, and I will see you in the next one.